Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? This is Grace and Roderick again. I thought I would just stop by to say hi to everybody and to sort of just update everybody on what I have been doing. I know that some of you would have seen me posting on Facebook, but not sure what exactly it is that I am doing. So I thought I would just use this video to sort of clarify what it is that I am doing and to touch base at the same time. So I have stepped away from my traditional job since 2019 and I've been doing an online business. This came about because I one day when I was trying to decide where I'll go, having stepped away from my job for of over, well, I've been in the traditional working environment for almost what you call it now, 30 something years, and I thought it was time for a change because I was feeling the stress of being out there and all of that. So I thought it would be best if I took a step back and regroup and try something that would have not be as stressful as before. So while praying about where I go and all of that, I came across a ad that pop up in my Facebook news feed, and the ad was an invitation to an online complimentary webinar that speaks to setting up your own online business. And I thought that sounded like something that I would be interested in, because it would give me the flexibility in terms of time and all of that, and I would be able then to do something that would generate some income while at the same time go at a less hectic pace than what I was used to. So I decided to click on it and I watched the webinar, and I was really very pleasantly surprised because it really ticked a lot of the boxes. It spoke to the fact that you don't have to be tech savvy to do well on the online space. It also spoke to the fact that you don't have to have a lot of experience because you can get the training that you need, and they specifically have a training site that provide all the training that you need. Plus, of course, they point to the fact that you can always go on Google or YouTube and get a lot of the information that you would need to get you up and running in a short space of time. So for me, that was really very good. And so I did all of that, and I joined the community of online business owners that were using that platform that was advertised and spoken about at the webinar. And to be honest with you, I really have not felt any regret. I have not felt as if it was something that I should not have done, because as we all know, the online space is so uncertain. It is fraught with a lot of things that are not genuine, a lot of scams and all of that, and so you become a lot wary of trying to find your way on the online space. But I really believe that it's because I was praying about it, that the Lord led me to this. I didn't have to do a lot of searching. I didn't have to do a lot of trial and error in terms of finding something that I could do. I came across this as one of the first things that I looked at, and to be honest, it was really what I was looking for. So I want to tell you guys a little about why I did that, and also some of the benefits of being on this platform. So as I said before, I really thought it was time to step away from the traditional job because, as you know, I'm a chartered accountant, and it is very hectic being out there, meeting deadlines and in an environment where things are very, very tight, just to keep a business up and running, a lot of the pressure comes on the financial controllers and so on to try to meet the budgets and so on. So it was really very hectic. And of course, there's always the workplace dramas and all of that sort of thing that you have to deal with out there. So that was also that was one of the things. The second thing was, most of you know that I love to travel. I any opportunity that I get to travel, I'm traveling all over the place with my family, and that is really very expensive, as you know. So being in the job space, it does not provide you with adequate resources to be able to travel as you like, and at the same time, you don't get the amount of time that you would need. If I'm traveling, say to Europe and so on, you only have 4 weeks vacation in a year and so on. By the time I go there, it's time to come back and so on. So that was also another thing. The other thing was that I figured I needed some time, to also get involved in ministry, because most of you also know that I'm a Christian, I'm an intercessor, and I also have ministry work that I need to do. So that was one of the things also that gave me, that made me want to, be out, be in something that gives me more flexibility, So those are some of the reasons why I decided to go and do it. So when I saw this ad, and as I said, it spoke to my being able to have those kinds of opportunities because of the potential that the online business space, and particularly this platform, offers. It's a community of business owners. So you start up and you set up your own business. You are guided from the beginning right through. Everything is outlined. The platform, the training platform, which is one of the biggest selling points for this business setup, this community, is that they take you step by step from the start to finish, how to set up your business, how to get everything up and running. They take you through all the training, technical training, everything that you need to do. Facebook is one of the major platforms that is used to establish your business, because this is really a marketing of your business. You don't have to do any selling. You don't have to do any selling. So you're not going out there to how do you put it now, to keep inventory, to find products that you need to sell. The platform is structured so that you have you get a package that has all the training that you need, the support that you need, the products that you would be that would be a part of your business. Everything come together as one, and all of that is situated for you. In the business, we say that 90% of it is already done for you. You just have to do 10%, which is to plug in and go through the training and show up for your business and do what you need to do to get it up and running, because of course nothing is for free, and you can't go out there and do anything. Nothing with nothing gives nothing, so you have to start somewhere. So there's a one-time fee to get onto the platform, but as I say, it's a one-time fee, it's a minimal fee, and after that you don't have to pay any more fee. It's not annual, it's not yearly, it's a one time. With that paying of that fee, you get the training site open up to you. 1, 2, you get you get a coach, you get a mentor, and you get a community of supporting business owners, people who have been there, people who have done it, people who are willing to lend their expertise to show you what they have done, how they have done it, and how you can do it. There's also weekly masterminds that keeps you on your toe, keep you refresh your courses, as it were. In those masterminds, persons would come and talk about their experiences, the things that they have discovered, the mistakes they have made, and how they overcame it, so that you don't have to make those mistakes yourself. So all of that is there in this platform. And the only thing that you are required to do is you have to be dedicated to what you are doing. You have to want to be successful. You have to change your mindset from that of I can't to I can and I will and I must, so that you can achieve the goals that you want. Because to be honest with you, when you're getting up in age, you need to find something that make you feel like you have achieved. Because I know that lot of us, we have achieved a lot in terms of education wise, academic wise, and so on, and we have also achieved a lot in terms of job wise. But at the end of the day, the return sometimes is really not commensurate with what we have put in. And so looking for something that will give you different streams of income, something that is a legacy that you can pass down to your children, because this business gives you residual income as you go along, and you can pass it down to your children, and they can take it and they can run with it and they can pass it down to their children. Because as you know, nowadays the online space is where everything is migrating to. Everybody is going online, and before you know it, most businesses are going to be online. Most people are going to be working online. So it is good to get in from now, when it is not so saturated, and jump in from now and begin to get yourself established, so that you can be there when it is time, when everybody else is on coming on. You would have been there, you would have established yourself, you would have become comfortable with being there and knowing what to do. So those are some of the reasons why I have been on this platform. So those are some of the benefits. Another benefit of this business is that we are a big community. When I started in early 2020, there were about 22,000 persons in the community, and then it went up to about 40 something. But by the time the COVID came around and so on, and most people were working from home, and most people were laid off from their jobs and all of that sort of thing, right now the community is about 80 something thousand people. It goes to show you, it just proved my point, that most people are going online. Most people are looking for something to do online, because the traditional brick and mortar businesses are closing down. A lot of business now, you notice, look at it for KFC, for instance. KFC is doing delivery, which was unheard of before, and a lot of other businesses are similarly moving their operations online. So to be in what is happening, to be a part of what is happening, you have to be online. And there's nothing better than starting your own business. Can I tell you something, friends? I mean, we have been so socialized from we're growing up to think that the best thing is to do is to go to school and get a good education, and then go there and get a good job. But there are a lot of persons who never taught their children like that. Their children were taught to go out there to learn, and then to come and be a part of the family business and come and take over the family business. And that is what has been happening with a lot of persons. So we now have to realize that, look here, we too need to begin to think differently, and we begin to think that it's time for us to set up our own business and pass down a legacy to our children and grandchildren of their own business, so that they are not just working every day for somebody else, and at the end of the day they don't have anything to show for it, and at the end of the day they're at the whim and fancy and mercy of persons out there who just want to use and abuse and then get rid of them. So that is one of the things also that is speaking to me. So as I said to you, this business, there's 24/7 support in this business. Everything is outlined for you, as I said, and so I just want you guys to know that this is an open invitation to you all to become, to look at this business. As I said, you have a choice. I can't. Nobody can tell anybody what to do. You have to position your mindset for what it is that you want to do. And I'm saying this is an opportunity that I think would be beneficial to a lot of persons. We have every Tuesday and Thursday a live webinar. It is free, complimentary, that you can listen to it for 90 minutes. It gives you an overview of what the business is all about. You can join the live webinar, or you can watch a replay of it and get an idea of whether or not you think this might be something that you might be interested in. I am going to put my website information at the end of this video or somewhere in this video, and you can click on it, go to my website. You can register just with your name and your email address. When you do that, you will get a link will be sent to you for you to watch the next live video, and also you will get a link to watch a replay of a previous one that you can watch immediately. So I'm just saying thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for sparing the time to really just listen to what I'm saying, and I would really encourage you, take a look, take a listen, and see if it is something that you want to be a part of. And if there's anything else that you want to know, any question that you might have, you can give me you can link me on WhatsApp, you can link me in Messenger or on Facebook, and all of that, and I'll be happy to talk some more with you guys. So all the best, and hopefully I'll see you guys or hear from you guys, and we'll get in touch sometime again. Bless you.